Haha, yes, there it is. There we are. HiroshimaSpirit! This time around, I'm patting myself on the back a little bit. Nicely done, self. Thanks, us. I couldn't have done it without you. And I'm trying 4K 24 frames per second, so get in the comments and let me know how that looks. I wanted to see what a little bit more of a cinematic frame rate might look like. Enough of that nonsense. Let's see what's inside. Ho ho! Ho ho! Have you figured it out yet? So a couple of weeks ago, the team from Super Clean Brands reached out to me and they said they like my stuff and wanted to send me some of theirs. Super Clean manufactures degreaser products, floor absorbent, and even a heavy-duty wheel cleaner. And unlike some of the fly-by-night offers I've gotten because of my YouTube channel, this is an actual factual company. You can buy this stuff at places like AutoZone, so you know it's legit. So what have we got in here? You've of course already seen the genuine article, Real Tree Hat, with the Super Clean logo. T-shirt as well. Got a big jug of the floor absorbent, which will probably come in handy at some point because I'm a mess. Got some regular formula cleaner degreaser in an aerosol can. Biodegradable. Nice. Same stuff in a spray bottle. We've got a foaming version of, I assume, the same stuff. Still biodegradable, but it's got sassy foaming action. Last but not least, we've got Super Clean's all-wheel cleaner, which is going to come in handy today. More on that in a minute. I should at least put the hat on, right? It's like I've never put a hat on before. I guess this means I'm a real YouTuber now, right? So the reason why the wheel cleaner is coming in handy today is because the wheels on old Greenie are, well, dirty, and I left them that way on purpose because I knew this stuff was coming, and as a thanks for sending it all over, I wanted to do a quick demo of their heavy-duty wheel cleaner. The directions say to clean one wheel at a time, spray the product on, leave it for 30 seconds, and immediately rinse with cold water. Let's see what we get. The instructions also say for extremely dirty wheels, I can use a soft brush or a sponge, but this is only about 2 weeks worth of brake dust, and I really want to see if it'll work through it. Yep, time to get the sponge. It's actually cutting through some heavy spots that my regular car wash soap wasn't taking off, so that's a bonus. Keep in mind this car's got 170,000 miles on the clock, so I think there are not many wheel cleaners short of stripping the paint off that are going to take off some of these real permanent stains. However, the Super Clean is getting some stuff that my regular car wash soap has left me struggling with for quite a while. That's the freshest this wheel's looked in a long time. Okay, I really want to put this stuff to the test. This wheel, these stains, no matter what I do, they will not come off. So, let's see if the Super Clean can break through it. Ho ho ho! Yes! It's actually cleaning this wheel. Holy moly. This is a real reaction, folks. Like, these stains, I have been scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and not been able to get them off. And the Super Clean, after sitting on there for 30 seconds, is taking it off. I wonder if this stuff will take the dreaded Hawk HP Plus stains off the silver car. Dang. That's actually better than the front wheel. Okay, now I have to know if it's going to work on the silver car. Anyone who's done a track day and used Hawk brake pads, particularly in this case the HP Plus, you know that they like to stain wheels. And you can see here, even on this black wheel, it's stained pretty bad with brake dust. This is the ultimate torture test right here. Super Clean versus Hawk. It's cutting through some of it, but the real heavy piled on stuff, I don't know. We're gonna have to see after I rinse the wheel off. Looks like I was able to scratch the surface, but as you can see there, right in the corners near the spokes, the Hawk dust wins every day, and I honestly think that's probably attributed to me just being lazy about cleaning these wheels sometimes through the years. With a fresher set of wheels and actually keeping up with cleaning that heavy-duty brake dust off of there, I think the result would probably be different. A street car with street car brakes, though? I'm a believer. I think that warrants putting on the t-shirt for the end of the video, too. That's right. We got a stylish company man right here. And this stuff isn't just for, like, dirty engine bays and stuff. You can use it all around your home, depending on how you dilute it with water. And all this information, I'm sure, is available on their website, but you can use it all over. Kitchen, bathroom, not just the garage. Once again, thank you to the folks over at Super Clean for reaching out, sending me over this box of goodies. I appreciate the swag and all of the cleaning products you sent me. You definitely made me a believer on the wheel cleaner. It worked really well for my purposes, and I've got a couple of projects coming up where I can really use the degreaser products and maybe the floor absorbent if I have a spill, so I'll be covered, and I appreciate it. If you liked this video and those going forward, maybe this is the beginning of something beautiful. Who can say? I also wanted to give a quick shout out to all of my Patreon supporters. I know you guys didn't really make this one happen, so I didn't do the pitch at the beginning, but you guys keep me going, keep me motivated. I enjoy talking to each and every one of you all the time. The Mazda 2 community is tight-knit, and it's full of great people, and I can't appreciate you guys enough and say enough good things, so thank you for your continued support. That's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little pat on the back victory lap video. I just wanted to make it real quick as a thanks to Super Clean, but I also wanted to let you guys know that starting probably in the next video, there's going to be a sharp uptick in production value on the channel. I'm not ready to show you what or why, because none of it's here yet, but there's some exciting stuff on the horizon, and I can't wait to show you guys. You know, I appreciate it all. Patreon, Super Clean, anyone who watches and subscribes, you guys are awesome. Get down in the comments, let me know what you thought, and God, I'm really starting to play the YouTube game, aren't I? That's it for me this time. Thank you all so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Aw, shucks us. It was nothing. I really wanted to make this as a thank you to Safety Clean. Yes.